We got this question. The first and the last term of a linear sequence is given by 6 and 10 respectively. If the sum of the sequence is 40, find the number of terms. Now, if you have to solve this, you know that what you really want to get is the number of terms. And again, you notice that there's a part of it that says the sum of the sequence is 40. So that gives you an idea what you needed to know. So the first thing you do is to write out the formula for the sum of terms, okay, for a linear sequence. Now, there are two types of questions and two types of equations, but I think the one that is best used for this will be n divided by 2 and a plus l, which represent the first and the last term. Now, we know from the question that the sum of the sequence is 40, so replace Sn with 40, and n, well, that's what you really want to get, okay? So you keep it the same way, and a, which is the first term, which from the question is 6 plus the last term, which is 10. Now we need to solve this. What you could do, again, you write down 40 on the left and try to add up this number on the right. 6 plus 10 is 16. Okay, that's n times 16 divided by 2. Now you could divide straight on. 2 into 16 is 8, so you got 40 equals 8n. Now what you could possibly do to get n, you'll have to divide both sides by 8, so you have 40 divided by 8. And of course, if you do this, you'll notice that your answer will be 5. So this is gonna be, I think, a better way, a more easy way to do this. So the number of terms for this linear sequence is 5. There are 5 terms. Okay, thank you.